I have received quite a few emails from folks that are having a little bit of trouble navigating through XYZ Homework, so I figured I would go ahead and throw together a quick video to show you where you need to click and so on. It appears that most of you are doing okay finding the ebook and the Intro to XYZ and the Answer Entry Guide. If you haven't done the Answer Entry Guide, you may want to because it does make it a little bit easier for you to put in the correct answers in your homework and things like that. Now I'm having to do this through the instructor view, but the student view is very similar as you can see. But as an instructor, I can't access the homework assignments. So just to let you know, this is my view, and what will happen is after you complete the Intro to XYZ homework, and you've got to get 100% on it, you can see the prerequisite right down here that says 100% on Intro to XYZ homework. So what we're going to do is you have to do that homework assignment first. Then you can open up the homework. Now what some of you are finding is that this part, the red, is the videos. And I strongly encourage you to watch the video instead of going directly into the homework because, quite frankly, that's all the instruction that you get at this point. I may add some more a little bit later, and if I do, they'll come in probably with the announcements or something like that. But always be sure to watch for those announcements. Anything you see from me or Blackboard is probably kind of important for you to read, so make sure you do that. But anyway, once you watch the video, you can get back to this web page, and you'll notice what will happen is this pencil that used to be grayed out, once you are able to do the homework, this pencil will become dark gray, and this will actually be underlined, the number. That's where you click to get into your homework. And then from there, you use what you learned in how to enter answers, and you can answer it. So the sum of a and -2 is -1, so that would be something like a plus -2 equals -1. And you look at it, make sure that's what you're looking for, and submit it, and you can get your answer correct. So hopefully this will help you. If you need to go back, you go here. But hopefully this will help you with finding the how to get to the homework assignment, because it is kind of weird the way this is set up, because the video, which you need to watch first, comes below the actual assignment, and this actual assignment is not available until you do meet this prerequisite. So it's almost like you come to the previous assignment, you go to the video, check the prereq, and do your homework. Hopefully this will help you get through and alleviate a little bit of confusion.